Welcome back to I Got It Out the Soil. And today I'm going to be talking about to my beginners or maybe somebody that have been gardening for just a little bit. I'm going to show you how to know when your in-ground garden need to be watered or even your container need to be watered. I'm going to show a few examples on what you could do to test that, and I'm going to show you here with my in-grown garden on the side. So let me get to testing really quick on how you could tell if your in-ground garden needs to be watered. This is how you do it. I'm going to face y'all down here so y'all can see my garden. And all I'm going to do, take this finger, dig in, get a good dig, and your soil should be pretty soft. It can stand a little more water. Usually, if y'all can see that, my hand should be covered in soil, but it's only covered a little bit, so it could withstand some water. So I'm just gonna cover that up. I'm gonna pull this right here. It's a tomato plant. I'm about to get ready to pull that. This here is my cucumber. I'm about to get ready to pull that. So look at my pretty marigolds turning orange, blooming just nicely. I do want to, that's pretty much it, how to tell if your in-ground garden needs water. When you put your finger inside, it should come out with soil on it, and it should feel pretty moist up to your middle knuckle. So let's go check the container and see if the container need water. But before we do that, I want y'all to check out my fall seedlings. Here, this is our jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. Remember I did a video about that and planted those. This is how these seedlings are looking. They're doing quite nicely. Cane is running off somewhere. These are the sugar baby. They are doing fine. The heat got them a little droopy there. There was more bloom. So they're pretty small. I guess that's to be expected, being that they're sugar pumpkins. And then I got my I got my butternut squash right here, these two. And last but not least, my spaghetti squash right here. So they looking quite great. I do have my red cabbage. A couple of them popped up. I don't know if you can see it here and here. I have my collard greens back here. All of them popped up. Well, not all of them, but a few popped up. I have my seasonal cabbage here. Those popped up. And I have my celery. A little bit of those popped up. And then I have my broccoli. And then my mustard greens back here. So the seedlings are doing quite good. So let's go test these containers. See if they need water. I'm going to tell you right now they don't, because I just watered them. And look at my marigolds. They're so beautiful. I just love these marigolds and basil. They do really, really well in this container. They're so beautiful. I do have to cut off some of the dead ones and get the seeds. Strawberry real lush. I guess these potatoes, they're going to keep growing because it's still 90 here. So look at all the runners just dropping. It's freaking crazy. So let me test a part of my container. So I'm going to do the same thing. Stick a finger. And let's get the testing, buddy. Let's see. Oh, yeah, okay. Okay, I just watered these, but they're dry. See how just a little soil, and that's because it got under my nail. I'm gonna water these as well. Let me check this one. Let's see. I'm gonna water them some more because I collect rainwater, so I just okay, let me turn it right this way. I collect rainwater, hence all of these bottles that you be seeing on my deck here. When it rains, I collect the rainwater because that's like a fertilizer within itself. Excuse my AC, it's hot, it's always on. I'm not going to cut it off, so until I get a mic. And I bought several mics, they do it incompatible with my phone, even though they said they work for Androids. But anyway, that's besides the point. I'm going to water these as well because I only watered them with my rainwater the other day. So it looks like they need watering as well. So I'm going to get to doing that. But if your hand come out clean, right? Your finger come out clean, that means you need to water, okay? I wish I had an example of, let me check the other one. Containers need watering pretty often because they, quite frankly, dry out so pretty quickly because it's in a container and it's very, you know, with the air and everything, it just dries out pretty easily. But it looks like okay, one example. See how that soil is on, if you can see that soil is on my finger. That's on this part of the container is moist, but the container needs to be watered, so I am going to do that. So let's get the watering, shall we? Give them with a little water, and they should be all set. And I just love these marigolds. They're so beautiful. They do me really, really well. Very bushy, very relaxing when I come out here. And I get to see my beautiful marigold blooming in this 90-degree weather. So that's it for this. Oh, let me set y'all. Hopefully y'all can see me. So that's it for this video. I'm going to end this video here. And if I haven't said in the earlier in the video, I hope you guys is enjoying the content. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video with your family and friends. It is free. And always remember, always get it out the soil no matter what. Because I wasn't feeling good today, and I still came out here to do a video. Okay? So until next time, peace. I'll see you in my next video.